In this session, we will see queue methods. So, what are the methods? The very first method is push front, push back. Okay, the name. This is the standard thing which you need to remember. Push front, push back, pop front, pop back, insert. Insert is also one method. Delete and size. So let's understand one. Let's understand them one by one. The first is push back. Okay, now what it will do, push back, pushing, right? So push means what? Adding. So add an element at the end of the queue. So from the end side it will add the element into the queue. Okay, so for that we have one example. You can see here int, and this is the queue. We declared a queue. Now we are pushing the element into the queue. So what type of queue this is? Tell me what type of queue it is. So it is a unbounded queue because size is not fixed. Now queue array name, I mean queue name, not array name. It's queue name dot push back. And what element we are pushing? Element 10. Value 10 we are pushing into the queue. Then again what we are pushing? 20. Again what we are pushing? 30. So how it will look like this? How it will look? How it will look is, you can see here. This is, suppose this is a queue. This is one queue. This is a box. We divide into three parts, and this is a queue. Now this is a front side of queue. This side. This is a front side, and this is a back side. So from where we are pushing? Back side. So in this case, what we pushed first? We pushed 10. So 10 come. See at this when we are pushing now, the 10 come first. Then when we are pushing 20 here, so you have to push at this point only. So when you are pointing, when you are pushing 20 here, then 10 will come from here to here. That is internal things. We don't need to know that. Then when 10 will come here, 20 will come here. Then again we are pushing what? 30. So in that case 10 will from here, 10 will come to here. Then 20 will come from here to here, and 30 will come here. Then if we push again 50, then again it will shift and 50 will come here. Okay, because we are pushing from back side. So push back will work like this. Okay, similarly we have push front. So in this case everything will be same. Push front. So front means front side we are adding. So adding an element at the beginning of the queue. So everything is same. Okay, so push back and push back. We did push back. So then how it will look like this? See, push first we push this means it will come here, and then second we push this, then it will come here. Then again what we are doing? Push from front side. So if you put push from front side, so for now at this point, before at this point, this is the first, this is the front, and this is a back. If we push from front side means here it will come, right? This will element 5 element will come here, 5 value will come here. Okay, so after pushing 5 it will look like this. You got it right? Here from the front side it came. Now pop front, when we this push is used to add the element to the queue. Pop is used to remove, or you can say get the element from the queue. So remove the first element. Push pop front. From the front side we are, what we are doing? Removing. We are getting the element. So it will look like this, something like this. This is your queue, and in this is the 0th index, and this is the second index. So when we are saying pop front, so this is the front, this is the back. So from the front side it will come. So it will come from front side, that is 10. So it will come 10. So this is the result. After that queue will shrink. So shrink means size will reduce by 1, because you one element you already taken. So the size will become 2. So this is how queue will look like this. Okay, for the visualization you can go through this. Now pop back. So from back side, from the last index side we will pop. So in this case this we are popping because this is a back side. So in this case what we will do? See, when we are getting the element, in that whatever the element we got, that we should store somewhere, because we already got from the queue. So that is why we declare one more variable, that is int data. So in this data, whatever the element we will pop, that we will store there. Okay, so you can see here after removing how it will look like this. Okay, then we have insert method. So if you see insert, now insert is used for what? Putting the element in between the existing element in the queue. So insert an element at a particular index. So a specific index. See, if you do push back, push from, then it will push front. It will push the element from back side or front side. But what if when you want to put the element at a specific index? Suppose you want to put at a fifth index, seventh index, anywhere. Then how will you do that? So for that we have one method that is called as insert method. So we will use insert method to insert the element at a particular index. So this is the queue. This is a queue, but I want to put 15 value at index 1. So in this case, where is the index 1? Tell me. This is the 0th index. This is the first index. At this index, I want to put 15. But make sure I am not going to remove this 20. 20 should be there. In this case, the queue size should increase by 1 because one element I am going to add. So before adding, how it looks at 0th index, 10 value is there, first index 20 is there, second index 30 is there. But when I am adding, inserting one element at first index, the first index value should become, it should become 15. So if you see here, and then this is the first index, 0th index is 10, first index, here we inserted 15 values. The first index is containing 15, second index already it will move, like it will shrink, I mean not shrink, it will grow, so it will become 20, then third index it will become 30. So this is how it will be. Now we have delete. So remove element from a particular index. So see, delete can be used in two manner. First is you can remove the element from the particular index. In that case, you have to pass argument to the delete. Whatever the element you want to delete, that element index you have to pass to the delete method as argument. So here you see what we are doing. Here we are passing the argument. That is what argument? Index. So this is the first index. So in this case, this is the 0th index. This is the first index. So in this case, 20 we want to delete from the queue. So how we will do that? We will do like this. So see, before doing this, how we did? So delete queue dot delete, and we pass the argument. Then it will delete. This 20 will be deleted. Then we have size. So size will return what it will return. It will return the current number of element which is present inside the queue. Whatever the currently element present inside the queue, that how we will get to know? Using the method that is called size method. So we will use size method to get the current number of elements. So this is a queue. Total how many elements is there? So by seeing we get to know, right? Suppose it will be 1000, then how will get to know? So using this size method you will get to know. Now because 3 element is there, you are counting. If it will be 1000, 2000, then how will you count this? So we have method. We will use this method to what? Calculate the size. So here we are calculating the size. We are getting the size, not calculating. Size will calculate. Size method will calculate everything. It will print the size. It will give us the total size. So size is equals to percentage d and q. This is a, I told you now how you can apply the methods to any array or any queue or anything. How you will do that? This array name or queue name dot size. So it will give you the size. So what is the size? 3. If we pop from front side, so if we pop from front side means we will remove the 10. In that case, how many size will become? What will be the element? How many elements will be there in queue? Total 2. So then it will print 2. Okay guys, so this is for this video. We will see in next video. Bye bye.